Here's the emotional side. When you can't figure out why your body keeps acting this way, you start to feel helpless. You're eating well, resting enough, living wisely, but mornings are still spoiled by coughing. And people around you just brush it off as getting older. You eventually stop explaining, and sometimes, you stop hoping. But remember this, you deserve better. If this sounds familiar, try simple steps. Raise your bed head a few inches, skip late snacks, especially acidic foods like tomatoes, citrus or chocolate. Sip on ginger tea instead of heavy meals before bed. Most importantly, talk with your doctor, not just about heartburn, but about silent reflux. Sometimes the answer isn't medication, but wiser lifestyle choices rooted in senior health and daily wellness.